And this morning in our What's Going Around report, children are back in the classrooms in person, and that can mean sniffles and coughs and maybe worse. This week in What's Going Around, Tracy Townsend asked our expert, Dr. Mike Patrick, for 5 fast facts to help families stay safe.
Number 1 on our 5 fast facts list, Dr. Mike says get the COVID-19 vaccine.
If you have the vaccine on board, you're much more likely to have mild or maybe moderate illness, but you'll be safe, in terms of hospitalization and death.
At number 2, it's all about hand washing, especially after you go to the restroom and before you eat. It's also good to keep your hands away from your face.
When you have 20 or more kids together in a room, it doesn't take long for someone to cough and on their hand, they touch a doorknob and, another kid could touch that doorknob right after them.
Feeling sick? Number 3 on the 5 fast facts list, take a COVID test to confirm. If it is positive, keep your children home to avoid spreading it to others. At number 4, pay attention to what public health leaders report on transmission levels. And finally, at number 5, Dr. Mike says be ready to mask up just in case.
If we get into the middle of winter and we not only have COVID out there, we also have flu and all the rhinoviruses. And especially if you're a kid who's prone to getting ill, maybe you do have an immune system problem, wearing face masks are going to be important.
And Dr. Mike told Tracy that there have been reports of heart inflammation after a COVID-19 vaccine, but he says scientists have not made a connection of the cause and effect. He says he believes the benefits outweigh the very small risks of a vaccine reaction.